how to compose and send a new text message on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, open up the text messages app. It's this one right here. You can also swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, swipe across and locate the text messages app. So there's right here. So we open it up. Now there is a floating text message. I can close that for now. So I'll close that one. Alright, so to compose a new text message, you tap on this button here at the bottom. And from here, it will start a new conversation. In this conversation, you can select a contact. You can manually put in the phone number, or you can type in the name. Okay, so you can put in the name. Now you can select one or multiple contacts. If you are selecting multiple contacts, it will create a group. Okay, so after that, you can go down to your text here in the text box. You can now write the text to compose. So this is a text message. Okay, after that, on the left hand side is a plus button. You can tap on that, and this will allow you to attach certain features to the text message. You can attach pictures from your gallery. So you can select one or multiple pictures, and then tap on the back key to close that window. Okay, so we have attached some images. Tap on the add button and you will see that you can also add a GIF image. In here you can add a GIF image. You can search for the image and then tap on it, and that will be added to your text message. And here we got emojis, we got stickers. You can also add stickers to it. Okay, so then after that, tap on the back key to go back to your text message. Here, if there is anything that you want to remove, you can tap on the remove button. So here I can remove a few text message, a few attachments. Tap on the add button again, and we'll see that it will allow you to compose, magic compose. So magic compose will basically allow the phone to automatically suggest a response based on what you have in the previous conversation or in the previous text. You can also attach files to your text message. Tap on files. In here, you can attach files such as an MP3 song, video, and other things, documents, etc. Here at the top, you can browse for images, audio, videos, so you can filter out so that you can quickly search for files that you want to add. At the top here, it shows you all the images and files by recent. If you want to search for a specific file, you can tap on the menu here and then go down to images, videos, audio, documents, or you can go to your device. So tap on your device and you can browse to the specific folder. So download folder, here you can attach whatever you have in here. So here I have attached a contacts file, and then I'm just going to close that, delete that, go back to my text message and tap on the add button. You can also attach your location or a location in the map. Let's say you want to meet up with somebody at a particular location, so you can use the map and send the specific location, attach it to the text message. You can also attach a contact details to your text message. You can also set your text message as a schedule send, so you can schedule when your text message will be sent. And here we also have the selfie GIF. So here, and then you can tap on the send button, or you can just close that. Okay, so go back here and we look at once more. So we've got a contacts schedule, so we can attach a contact and then I'll attach it as a text. Okay, so once you're ready, you can then tap on the send button down here. You can also touch and hold on this button here to schedule it. So at the bottom here, if you touch and hold, you can schedule your text message. So later today at 5 p.m., 9 p.m., 8 a.m. tomorrow, or you can pick a date and time. And that's it. Once you are happy, just tap on the send button and that will get sent. And that's it. That is how you can compose a new text message on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.